Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change your Bitget phone number. All right. So first up, go ahead and go to the top left, tap on your profile, and again, tap on your profile right here by just tapping on the right arrow key. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and go to these tabs, and here we have security. Just tap on it, and once done, your mobile number will be listed in here. So what you're going to do is just tap on the mobile number. Now you can go ahead and change your mobile number by just tapping on this option. Tap on it, select the country code. Once done, enter the new number. And after that, don't forget to tap on send code or voice verification code. Okay. You'll be given a code to your SIM card. So go ahead and browse through your SMS or receive a voice call if you want to. And then put the code in here and just tap on submit. Okay. And in the next page, it will ask you to verify with your old phone number. So just go ahead and enter the code from your old SIM card. And then after that, you should be good to go. Okay. And just do take note that for your security, you won't be able to withdraw or sell in the P2P marketplace for 24 hours. After, of course, changing your mobile number. All right. And that is how you change your Bitget phone number. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.